came to this class because I wanted to learn how to actually drape and not just do the low dollar stuff. So I came here and it was absolutely amazing. The energy was high. You learned a lot, even the tips. Even when she's not talking to you, you can walk over to learn someone else's and what they have to do. But this is great. And if you are on the fence of coming to this class, don't be on the fence of coming to this class. Come to this class. It's great. It's worth your money. Do it.
I YouTube everything Precious had, and guess what? It is nothing like the class. So you can YouTube all you want to, but if you want to get the hands-on skills to create this beautiful masterpiece, come check her out. You won't regret it.
I've been in business for 15 years, and this class has been awesome. I've learned so many tips and things that I should have learned a long time ago, but I appreciate all the help, and if Precious comes back again, I'll be back again, because this class was just awesome.
I attended the draping class today by Precious Stevens. Awesome class, awesome instructor. Gave a lot of tips, a lot of tools on how to, create this right here. So if you want to get on board and know how to do premium draping for your events, for your clients, give them something upscale, this is the class you need to be in.
You learn so many different tips, techniques, and also just the training she provides allowed me to create this wonderful backdrop.
I took this class today to take my business to the next level, and I learned so much. I watched Precious YouTube videos, and hands-on was a whole lot better.
I came to Detroit today to take draping to the next level. I highly recommend the class. I thought I knew what I was doing, but I didn't. So I'm glad that I learned the correct way to do draping to get the more exclusive designs that you desire. Take the class, it's worth it. Just take those coins and put those coins together. You will be very satisfied that you did attend. Thank you, Precious.
I've learned so much today. I thought I knew how to really drape. I've been playing, but now I know what to do. And I want you to know that this can happen to you as well. I live here in Michigan, where all the beautiful snow. She's from Atlanta, where it's nice and warm and crisp, but hey, she's here. And we just enjoy having her here with us. Everyone in this class have learned so much today. And I just thank her for deciding to do this for us. And come on, get on board and let's do this.
And I am so happy that I had experienced this draping mastering class with Precious. I literally took a chance on spending money on this class, but it's worth every penny. And I'm so blessed that she taught me as far as draping techniques and how to do a real valance, because I screwed it all up. But I'm so happy that I experienced this, and you should too. It's worth it.